Hi everyone, so I am in Lamay again today. Last time I stopped at the crossroad just right here next to the Pizza del Sol, which is just on the right. And I will make a second part, so with all the beach road of Lamay on this side. So we are now on the crossroads where you have the Meili Burger, which is there for many years. So she's still open. She opens every morning, and she's open until late at night. So she's surviving now, but it's still open. And the other burger opposite is also open, but they open quite later. So we are in the morning. As you can see, there is life in Lamay. Not much, but you have some Thai people around. Right here you have the outback, but over there you have a sign for sale. So they are closed every day now for many months, and it's for sale. Sawadika. Meili Burger still open.
Tomorrow we make cooking seafood.
Seafood, barbecue,
ไม่ผัดกะเพรา
ผัดกะเพรา seafood.
ผัดกะเพรา chicken for free for gift free
เหรอโอ้ใจดีนะ
มีนิดหน่อยทำนิดหน่อย
they will make
มี
a
ช่วยด้วย
they will make a
ช่วย
ผัดกะเพรา
มีฝรั่ง
seafood.
gift money ด้วยบอกแล้ว
Because some people give money to it's for free donation for food for people in Lamay.
ต้องรีแพร์ผัดกะเพราเนี่ยกะเพราดูเห็นไหมเนี่ยกะเพรา
Cap. Yeah, it's a basil leaves famous Thai dish.
ฟรีกะเพรา
Yeah, so like, as you can see, the corner is open, but not the outback opposite.
เซลนะมีโมเซลทู nobody sell
Nobody buy.
nobody buy
Free donation. So let's go to have a walk. Yeah, Meili is really nice, really kind, and they are really nice people. The burger are quite good there. So like I said in many of my other videos, when I meet Thai people, they are still smiley, you know. Even if it's hard for them, they are still smiley and really kind. It's what I like with them. Even if the situation is not easy, they keep their smile. So the Live India restaurant is still open now. For all these months, they never closed, and they are still open. If you saw my video on Lamay, the first one, Aline that I met in my first video and opened a new shop over there. She had her shop right here. So now she changed, you see, her place and moved to a better one, more in the center of Lamay, because this part of the street had never been really the center of Lamay. It never walks a lot, you know. The start here a little bit. It has never been here like a busy area in Lamay. So as you can see, except of the Live India, now it's 11 morning, everything is closed. The Kangaroo, which is a well-known restaurant in Lamay, is still open, and the barber shop next door too. So right now it's not open, but they open every evening. They are keep fighting. So the barber shop next door is open, and as you can see, many now shops are empty and for rent. So it's like that in many for many shops, like the other one next door. They are for rent and they are empty. I'm sure that when they will open the borders, people will take over the shops. And like many other Family Marts and 7-Eleven, this one is closed. You still have the haircut there, which is open. So one more room for rent. The pharmacy here is open. The tailor seems to be still here. I'm not sure that they open or not, but they are still here. Of course, the Will Wait restaurant and hotels is open because it's again a Thai-owned place. So they will not close. They are still here. The tailor here is still open too. I know this guy is really sympathetic guy and really nice guy. His name is Mr. Moss. Versace. He's still open, but now only in evening. And he still has his shop next door. Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
So it's Mr. Moss that I was talking about, who has the tailor shop next door. So he's still open, still here, and waiting for people to come back.
Oh yes. How are you? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm making video for YouTube.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, now I
We
know.
also-
I know this guy is for me the best tailor in Lamai for sure, and the nicest guy in Lamai. So if you need a suit, everything you can come to ask him.
We hoping.
And,
We are really hoping for new tourists and new business. That's what we are waiting for here.
Yeah, we are waiting for you, and we hope that you will be back soon. And yeah, you need to help the business who are still here, and because now they just survive, so they try to survive, but they are waiting for tourists to come back. So here you can buy. On the next door is making suits and everything like that, but here is selling more shirts, swimming suit, like some sarong here, Muay Thai boxing short. So if you need a swimming suit for the beach and you forget it at home, don't worry, you have everything you need here.
Yeah.
And you have also some bags. So yeah, Mr. Moss is here every day, and we hope, finger crossed, for everything will be better before the end of this year.
Yes.
Okay, we'll continue to work.
Yeah.
See you, Mr. Moss. Nice to see you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Later you make.
Yeah, right here you have the Marina Villa, which is also closed, but they will open again for sure. Right here, it's a really well-known place, and I'm really surprised because now it's absolutely empty, because it was owned by a Thai family who also owned the TNT house next door, but they took out everything inside. It was a good place to buy a beer for cheap price and to drink it here, because you add the 7-Eleven prices and you can drink in front of the supermarket. But now it's closed and empty, but I'm sure as soon as the borders will open again, they will be here, because the TNT house is still open right here. But all the shops opposite, as you can see, are empty. And yeah, the more I will go in the street, the quiet it will be. Yeah, you have a tattoo shop up there, but it's closed. Here you have the Samui Sense, which is closed too. Right here, it was a really nice restaurant, cheap one. I came sometimes here to have Thai foods, but now they leave, and the place is closed. Right here, you have the Miramar bungalows. I told you they are one of the oldest resorts in Lamai. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับ Yeah, these guys, they are taxi drivers, and they are talking with the owner of Miramar, and they are really from Samui, from the south of Thailand, and they are from here, so they will not move. Right here you have the Sea Breeze bungalow, So next door the Miramar, the Seabreeze Bungalow, which is still open, of course, because they are family, Thai-owned family. They still have shops like that, you know, where they sell stuff for the beach, which are open. I don't know how much they sell per day, but they keep to be open. The Seabreeze place, it's the same owner with the Seabreeze Bungalow, and it seems to be open. This Thai restaurant now is closed and empty. So this hotel, I have never seen this hotel open, so it's still the same now and closed. Opposite, you have a lot of shops, but only one is open now. The Riverside Massage, and they still have all the stuff inside, so I think they expect to open again when the borders will open. I mean, when it will be easier for you to come back. So the Riverside is really nice place to have a massage, and yeah, the place is really nice, and the owner is French and is really nice guy, really friendly guy. I hope for him he could open it again. Right here, the massage is open here. Sawadee. But the Scallop restaurant next door is closed. It was a restaurant that people like for Thai foods too, but now it's closed. Right here, another 7-Eleven closed. Like I told you in my first video, the only one to be still open, the one next to Pizza del Sol. Right here it was a bar, and now it's closed and empty. So when I started this video, a lot of motorbikes were driving around, but well, I was quite surprised, because normally it's more like that, you know. Really quiet and empty. So you have time where you have a lot of motorbikes, and then for 5 minutes you have nobody. And for people who knows Lamai, you can notice that they made a new road. So the road is new and really nice now, because right here it was a lot of holes, but now the road is really nice and really good. So here everything is closed. It was bars. The Italian restaurant right here is also closed. Yeah, right here almost everything is right now closed. Only the motorbike and car rent is open. Okay guys, so right here everything is closed too. Only the Muay Thai boxing training camp is still open, because on the right side here you have the Wild Tribe, but the Wild Tribe is closed now. The stuff is still here, so I think they expect to open again, because they put a sign over there to say sorry, we are temporarily closed. But the Muay Thai training camp right up there is open. Okay guys, so it will be that for today. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, and have a nice day. Bye bye.